Namaste children, welcome to today's EVS class. Last class, what did we learn in EVS? Which lesson we learned? You remember? Yes children, we learned our body is wonderful. Yes or no? In which you learned about different parts of our body. Yes or no? So many different parts are there in our body. Right from our head till our toes. Yes or no? And you have learned what do we do with every part. Yes or no? You learned what do we do with our eyes, what do we do with our nose, what do we do with our ears, mouth, our hand. You also learned what do we call each finger. Yes or no? There is a name for each of our finger. Yes or no? And you also learned what do we do with our hands. So many different things we do with our hands. Yes or no? And even with our legs. So each and every part of our body is important. Yes or no? So what we should do? We should take care of ourselves. We should take care of our body. How? Ma'am told you last time that you should keep your body clean. Okay? Why? So that we are healthy. Yes or no? And how you'll keep your body clean? Yes, by brushing your teeth twice a day, taking bath regularly, washing your hands frequently, eating healthy food, doing exercise. Correct children? So, now you know about different parts of our body. Today, we are going to start a new lesson in EVS. Now children, today's lesson is also based on our body only. Yes, we are going to learn about few special parts in our body. Some parts in our body are very special. Why you know? Because these parts tell us what is happening in our surrounding. Okay children, these parts help us to know what is happening in our surrounding. That is why we call these parts as sense organs. So today we are going to start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is our sense organs. Now children, I have written here organs. Organs means parts of our body. Okay. So, organs is another name for parts of our body. Yes or no? There are so many parts in our body. Some parts like your heart, stomach, lungs are inside. We can't see. So, we call them organs also. So, we have many organs outside of our body and many inside our body also. So, when I say sense organs means that parts of the body which help us to sense what is going on around us. Okay, which help us to know what is going around us. So now you understood why do we call them sense organs? Because these parts help us to know our surrounding children. To know means to sense. So that is why we call them sense organs. Understood? Now you tell me and you guess which parts will be sense organs, which parts of your body tell you what is happening in your surrounding. You tell me.
Our eyes, ears, nose and tongue tells us what's happening in our surrounding.
Now do one thing. All of you close your eyes for some time. No cheating. All should close. Now you open your eyes children. Now you tell me when you closed your eyes, were you able to see anything? No. It was total darkness. Yes or no? So our eyes is the first sense organ. We see so many things with our eyes. So first sense organ is eyes. What do we do with our eyes? We see with our eyes. So eyes help us to see. And how many eyes we have? 2. You have learned in our last lesson. We have 2 eyes, and eyes help us to see. So by seeing only we are knowing our surrounding. Yes or no? You come to know what is there in front of you, what is there beside you, what is there around you with the help of your eyes. So you tell me, what do you see with your eyes? So many things. Okay. You see different colors. Yes or no? See children, can you see this? This is a flower. What color it is? It is a pink color flower. Dark pink. These are also flowers. Okay, jasmine, what color it is? Yes, it is white. So many colors are around us. Your clothes, so many things. Yes or no? So we see different colors with our eyes. So our eyes help us to see colors. What else? Think. Yes children, our eyes help us to see different shapes. Now all of you look here. It is a box. Yes or no? You can see different shapes also with the help of your eyes. It is of different shape. Yes or no? You know no different shapes. Square, rectangle, triangle. Okay, and all the things also are having shapes. So we know the shapes of the things with the help of our eyes. What else your eyes help you to see? Children, what is this? These are 2 pencils. Now when I keep it like this, are they same? Are they same in size? No, one is small, one is big. Yes or no? So we can make out the size with our eyes. So our eyes help us to identify different sizes also. Eyes is one of the important sense organ children. Now you tell me, without eyes we can't see anything. You can't see the beautiful nature around you. Yes or no? So you tell me, we should take care of your eyes. The eyes is important. Correct? How you will take care of your eyes? Yeah, while bathing, you should wash your eyes also. And don't play with pointed things. Okay, don't play with pointed things like pencil, other sharp things, and so that you don't accidentally put into your eyes. Okay children, and you should not rub your eyes with your hands and fingers. So you should take care of your eyes. Now children, let us move on to the second sense organ, that is your nose. Okay children. Now let us talk about nose children. Now how many nose we have? We have only one nose. Yes or no? Now you tell me, what do we do with our nose? Yeah, last time you learned that we breathe with our nose. Okay. Other than that, what else do we do with our nose? Yes, you can smell with your nose. Now, if I give you this flower, rose, it smells very nice. Yes or no? You can make out. And even these flowers, jasmine, you call it mallige. It is having beautiful smell. Yes or no? We call it fragrance. So our nose helps us to smell. Now children, our nose helps us to smell good things also and bad things also. When I say good things, it is good smell. For example, flower. Okay, it is a good smell. And even perfume at your home, your mama or somebody must be using perfume. No, it smells nice. And even if your mama is cooking something very nice in the kitchen, okay, your favorite dish, ayasam or anything, even if she's cooking in the kitchen and you are in your drawing room, okay, you can smell, yes or no, you can smell the food and you'll come to know what mama is cooking in the kitchen. So that is also good smell. And what about bad smell? Yes, have you ever smelled your dirty socks? Dirty, right? And even if you have gone through the garbage, okay? And even if you are walking and you are passing a gutter, how does it smell? Bad, yes or no? So we have good smell and bad smell. So our nose helps us to smell, children. Other than that, nose also helps us to breathe. Okay, so our second sense organ is nose. Children, our next sense organ, the third sense organ is our ears. What do we do with our ears? Yes, we hear with our ears. So our ears help us to hear what do we hear? Our ears help us to hear different sounds. Yes or no? So many different sounds around us. Some sounds are low, some sounds are high volume. Yes or no? So ears help us to hear. Low sound means what? Sometimes you talk in a very low volume with your friends. Yes or no? When teacher in the class, when teacher is saying, don't talk children, so what do? And you want to talk to your friend something. What do? You talk in very low volume. You whisper to them. Yes or no? So when you whisper in the ears of your friend, what are you doing? You are talking in a low volume. So we have low sound and high sound. Now what is high sound? Very loud sound. Children, high sound means nothing but what? Loud sound. Did you hear? What was it? It was sound of a bell. Okay, we have our school bell. We have a bell at our home which we use in puja. So that is a high sound. Same way when you watch TV, sometimes you put high volume. When you play music, you put high volume. That is loud sound. The speaker sound, cracker sound is a loud sound. So children, you tell loud sound is good for our ears. No, loud sound may damage your ears. Especially for small children and old people, loud sound is not good. Okay, so children, we learnt about our ears. Okay, ears are our sense organ which help us to know different sounds. Yes or no? So we hear with our ears. So we should take care of your ears also. How you will take care of your ears? You should not clean your ears on your own. Okay, you should not put any pointed things, pointed objects and try to clean your ears. No, you should not. Okay, and never put any sharp things inside your ears and don't listen to loud music. Okay, children. So we learnt about our sense organs. Which one? Number 1, our eyes. Number 2, nose. Number 3, ears. Okay, so we have total 5 sense organs, children. How many sense organs we have? 5 sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Out of that, first one, eyes. Second, nose. Third one, ears. The remaining 2 is your tongue and your skin. So, the next sense organ, 3 over right. Number 4 is your tongue The remaining sense organs, remaining two, tongue and skin, will learn in next class. See you in our next class. धन्यवाद.